Okay, this is the view from inside the pain cave right now, aka my office. You can see that the water is coming up over the bulkhead. We're getting a lot of flooding. It's out that way. I don't know if you can see this way. It doesn't look any better this way either. And it's also only 58 degrees in my office because for some reason the pressure from this 50-mile-an-hour wind is causing the heat not to be able to make it down here for some reason that we can't figure out. Anyway, I'm evacuating the pain cave. Gonna head upstairs with the computer. Oh joy.